Welcome, ladies and gentlemen, South Africans, Africans, and the whole world. This is Uppercut Podcast, where you get into the ring, but your opinion might not make it out because you're reigning, defending, undisputed, number one educational speaker in the whole world. Apa is your host with the most. Bafethu ngiqala ngokubonga. Thank you very much kini ama-subscribers wethu bafethu. Ngithi nyabonga kakhulu, siyayifila i-support, siyayibona, siyakhula. Please now emahlangana nama-video wethu mfethu, just click the subscribe button and share ukuthi abanye bawabone, because we are delivering the education here on the local room. Thank you nyabonga bafethu. Yazi bengiloku ngicabanga bafethu ngomngane, a friend, because we are friends. Everybody is a friend of somebody, yangithola. So into ekumele sizibuze yona ukuthi ubenefitani kumngane. Why must I have a friend bafethu? Yabona, because either way umngane wakho uzokhosta, yabo, because ngamanye amalanga uthatha ama-decision based on umngane wakho uthini, or based on your friends' suggestions, yabo, wena bese uthatha i-decision. Like for an example, you don't feel like going anywhere today. Mawuthi xa kufika umngane or ufona umngane, are ntwana zwakala yini? Ntwana mane ke khatheta kubatlo vaya today, ara ntwana man ke kwela bo lazy zwakala yini, wanthola. So now that thing nje khona la soyashintsha soyahamba ngenxa yokuthi umngane athi you are not sticking now to your plan. Yangithola, first time ewenze we-one, yabo, bofuna ukuphuma ngapha endleleni, ufuna ukuyehla ukhuphuke ngale ndlela uyehle ngaleya, kufika umngane achoose maqala kunankinga, yabo, athi ntwana yazi asithathe ngayi, khona into engifuna ukuyenza ngayi, khona umuntu engifuna ukuhlangana naye ngayi, yabo, so thatha leyo decision. Mawuthi uyabheka, just nje most of us bafethu, we don't look at that, but it's a fact yokuthi mawuthi uyabheka a day wena wenze izinto eziyi-3 kuphela ezithandwa uwe, the rest wenze zabangane. Mawungayibheka lento wabheka emuva, yangithola, the rest wenze zabangane. Kwesinye isikhathi not kabi, angithi sonke vele sinama excuse, sinama reasons, and avalid. Ungangithathi kabi, avalid, sinama reasons, but mawungabheka per day wenza ama decision ayingakhe athandwa uwe, ungazishashayi, uzothola ukuthi most of the time 80% 90% yama decision owathathile per day awomngane, awe maybe, awe out, awaka somebody ama-decision owathathile. So most of us siyacontrola mara siboni. Ipoint yami ngifuna ukusho kanjalo, yangithola, siyacontrolwa mara asiboni, sizitshela ukuthi siyazicontrola. But ke kwesinye isikhathi it is hard to say you are controlling me, whereas nami lento yenzayo ngiyayithanda, yabo, ngiyayithanda lento yenzayo, but it's hard ukuthi uyamcontrola because suddenly nami sengiyayenza lento, kusho ukuthi uyifake kimi sengiyayithatha, yabona. It's like i-boyfriend or i-girlfriend mayiko abuser kuyo relationship, uyakhala but you are still there, you understand? When uyakhala but you are still there, lapho mina sengithi awusakhali, so you are now bad mouthing the next person. So mkhuluma kabi manje, usungaze o-ede nespice because ufuna abantu bakuthathele ekhanda wena. Uyabona? Umanipulate abantu. Uyabona? But ke it started with friendship bafethu. Ipoint yami leyo. So now a question. Who is exactly a friend? Ngiyangizwa bathi a friend indeed is a friend in need. Motswalle wa nnete ke motswalle wa sebele. Umngane okulwela ungekho kumele akulwele. Ubungane lobo kumele akulwele. Ngiyangizwa abanye bathi hey umngane onjani wena. But lo muntu lo they chose to be honest. Ukhulume iqiniso. Uzwe lo omunye athi umngane onjani bengithe kube isecret lento. Kusho ukuthi you should be a liar nawe. Ukutshela kanjalo lo muntu. Kusho ukuthi yena themselves he's a liar, she's a liar. Yabona? So ukutshele lento ukuthi ungatshela abantu uthule ngayo. Then for the fact ukuthi wena you felt ukuthi you must tell somebody. There is a need of telling someone. That means it's a problem. But yena umngane wakho uthe keep it secret. Keep it secret. And then they get angry when they find out that no, when you spill the beans, it's like you spill the beans according to them. Whereas it doesn't matter whether it's true or lies. But in most cases, it is true. Where they would say, ay, wena, unjani wena, umngane onjani. My question is, how would you define a friend? Who is exactly a friend? Because via enye into bafethu, yo, since I grow up, mina, ukhalwa ngomngane. Every mother, every father is blaming a friend of their kids. So maybe we'll find a solution, Buffett, if we know who is a friend, who should be a friend, why, and what is the benefit from a friend, you know? Because now I choose to say, even if there is someone might say, for argument's sake, someone might say, hey, there is no benefit, or there is benefit, but mina, I still say you're gonna benefit. As long as there is someone close to you, who you are living with, who you are sharing whatever with. Ditaba tsa hao, dikobo, dijo, rufu, you know, those people are so close that they're gonna be in your life. They're gonna affect your life. They can redirect your life in a minute. Through manipulations, through praisings, you know, because everyone Buffett ubatla benefita. Ke nnete eo. A re ska dlalang ka maka ke yona ntho re bolaya. Or no, I don't have to benefit anything to my friend, which means now you don't know the friend. You are right there, you don't know the friend, you know, and for that matter, you are taking life so easy. That isn't easy when. You don't have to benefit to your friend, because I'm telling you, either you want or not, you're gonna benefit someday. Bazoku user, you know, you will be a bridge to some rivers for them, or to be over that side. Where now you will be a bridge. So abanye abantu ngiyazi ukuthi abayicabange ngaleyo ndlela. Hayi ukuthi ngithi it's wrong to have a friend. What I am saying just nje, you must know what is a friend. Who should be a friend? What are you going to benefit? And what are you putting on the table for your friend? Because they must benefit from you as well. You know, they must benefit from you. That is called lifting each other up. That is called collaboration. There are those people like myself. I believe in collaborations. Some people, they believe in themselves. I can't blame them. I can't blame them. As long as you are mentally fit to execute that, to live alone, to be in komedla yodwa. Because to be in komedla yodwa bafethu, abanye bayaphazama le. To be in komedla yodwa, you don't have to hate people. You don't have to isolate yourself and say, I don't want to work with people. No, that is not inkomedla yodwa that I understand mina. You understand? That is not inkomedla yodwa that I understand mina. Ukuthi emotions wise, you have nowhere to rely on. If I come from the street and then I'm hurt, however, and then I'm coming home, I'm alone. I live alone. No girlfriend, no brother, no uncle will say, "Kuzolunga mfanami." Uyangithola? To me, that is inkomedla yodwa. Ukuthi makumele udle wena, there is no plate, hot one, that is waiting for you at home, that you didn't buy or that you didn't cook, prepare. You know, there is nothing like that for you. That is inkomedla yodwa. To build your legacy, to build your something, business from the scratch, not going for stealing to empower it. You know, yes, you might go for loans, you know, that you know you're gonna pay. You know, as long as you are paying it, there is no problem. That is your money. You know, that is inkomedla yodwa. Not ukuthi wena awusafuna ukuphila nabantu, awusafuna in sozenza labo rasta bakudala bathi I don't know, I can't work for Babylon. Ngaleso sikhathi uye kumsebenzi ngoba unabelungu, okhumula impahla ngoba ezabelungu, but hey bafethu, no. Urasta manje uyabona ukuthi they can't go around naked. Sekagqoka impahla zamasoja because asisabi insila, they don't get dirty so quickly. Mina that what I saw. Not ukuthi hey impahla zamasoja lawa akudala ezibrown, it was uniform yamarasta. No. Amarasta manje bewayenzela ukuthi ayisabi insila, so most of the time bowubona nawe ukuthi banama thread lawa brown but bangawadayanga. Remember ka Sotho hona le manyetse, hona le di thread. Wabona? So manyetse wa di bona ke tse ngathi kuzophuma intwala la or something. And you can see which they are not taken care of. Yeah. So bafethu, you know, ukuthi benefit or ubone wena yourself, hlale so wazi ukuthi mawubona ukuthi umngane yini, uwazi ukuthi umngane kumele yenzeni kuwe empilweni yakho, kusho ukuthi mina ngithatha ukuthi abantwana bakho ba safe. They will know through you. You will know ukuthi umntana wakho uyamchuzela umngane. You will know ukuthi umntana wakho uyabheka abantu abahamba naye, because wena you are the leader of your child mentally. Ukuthi umfaka ama morals, umfundise yonke into. You can, as long as mawungaba neqiniso, whether umama or ubaba, you can. Iba neqiniso. Yabona, ungabi nama secret, have peace nawe qala, and then abantwana bakho zokwazi ukubatshela iqiniso ukuthi no, lo mntana lo angifuni uhambe naye because this and this and this and this. Hayi ngimdala ngiyakutshela ungahambi naye kube nenkani, something strike. Leyo nto leyo iyephula ama bridge between children and older people in terms of uhalemelana bafethu. Yabona, remember kitshilo many times kare uruta ngwana ubua. Yes, usathi ba ubua wa celebrate. All right, let me be soft on you, celebrate, but you haven't made it yet. The job is just started. You know, ukuthi now o tlo moruta a bue eng le bomang ka nako mang ka tsela e jwang, and some words ha wa bua o le motho, some words ha wa bui ko bathong ba bang ha o le motho. O rute ngwana ha ntho tseo kaofela, ska fela pelo le wena. I know many people rona rena le di stress, rena le di regret bafethu, wanthola, but ntho tse jwalo ha re cut and chain, as I like to say, ha re cut and chain re ska ra di fitisetsa baneng ba rona by teaching them from angry point of view, from our angry space. No. Ha re tseng peace le tsa rona so that re ka shapa ra dila monate le bana ba rona. we talk to them. Umruta o tsamaya. After that, a tsamaye jwang, the movement. There is a natural movement, but you see, our children are not using it. They create their movement. You must know why. You must find out as a parent why. O tla bona di-problem tse ngata. After that, a ye kae ka maoto ao. A ke re sa tsamaya, o mo rutile o tsamaya. You were so eager. Wa bona o no tlolla blind, o no tloya go ba propheteng if ngwana sa tsamaya, a sa tsamaya. Ke re o no tloya di-docteng, o no tloya to everyone to get help. That means there is a problem if you go to seek help. So wa tsamaya ke yo. A le o ya kae? What time? O tsamaya nako mang? Ska tlo re jwetsa ngwana ha o tsamaya bosiu. Nka re a tswalwa ko wena mama. Papa, come on. Re na le dintwana re tloele go ba ashamed of our past. In fact, that's the start. Let us not be ashamed of our past, bafethu. A re le batho ba baholo. Because now, the top of our mind now, are becoming clean. You know, it's like now there is no load anymore. Because you are loading up your mind, bafethu, ka distress. I'm telling you. Problems are what it's ever. Postpone them. I'm not saying don't deal with them. Postpone your problems. As to when, you don't know. You don't know when. Don't give that date away. No. Because that date, it will feel. And I feel yo, unso better. Wabona stress sa qala hape. That's what I'm saying. Postpone when the time is right. Because the time is always right. The time is always right, Prophet. Don't waste your time. Now that's what friendship is about. The way you manipulate, which it is wrong. Don't go and play soccer because your friends are playing soccer. It's not your thing. You are wasting your time. Go find out yourself. Unless I'll say totally when because there is that stage in life. Okay, yeah, do everything. Go explore, do everything. But there are dangerous things that you shouldn't do. Ngadla abantwana wena. Akekho umuntu odla abantwana. Buza abantu abadala mfana ukuthi. Abanye sisafara kanje ileyo ndaba ekudla abantwana. Abanye baxabane nabazali nama families wabo, abantu abakhule nabo malume ngenxa yokuthi mina ngidla abantwana. Ngenxa yokuthi mina ngidla ubusha bami mntanami. Wena ubusha budliwa, don't eat your virginity. Don't eat it. Abudliwa. That is why wonke umuntu osho kanjalo abhayiza empilweni. Naku sipayizile sonke sisho kanjalo. Yabo wonke umuntu obekathi ngidla ubusha bami namhlanje kuyembula kuyembesa. Makubanda uthi yena uyashisa. Makushisa uthi yena uyagodola ufuna ingo. Yangithola ngenxa yokuthi manje bekathi udla ubusha bakhe. That thing brings arrogance in your mind and it brings wrong narrative. Yokuthi you must do anything, you mustn't listen to anyone wena ngoba udla ubusha bakho. Wabona udla ubusha bakho. Ntotse tlokena ko wena ukudla ubusha bakho. Utlokena di addiction. Remember, you are bound to become addicted of what you are doing on a daily basis. You know, you're gonna be addicted. Like I am addicted now, go miking, go cameron. I am addicted. I love this thing. So wena mfana ukuthi love your beginning career nkatsho jwalo. Whatever that you want to do, music, sports, whatever mfana. It's serious kamaka. Don't listen to anyone. That is why ke bua ka friend. Rona re khotsofatsa di friend. A re tsebe di friend ke. Friend is somebody who has your best interest at heart. And it's someone who pushes you forward towards your dreams in whatever that you want. Not in a crook way. lona le rata di-friend tse reng a maqala vele mshaye mangabe le mali lahlile shy. No, that is not friendship we are talking about. Wena qhume top wena. You are like a hammer or a tool or something. You can't even think for yourself wena. Awutsho jalo, you are in a wrong way, ulahlekile mfana kuthi. Wanthola, pusha pressa phanda. Hayibolele go lo utswa. Hayibolele go lo utswa. Spantsola a se botsotsi. To say maqala, it is from the accused. And then the accused, ke motho o kila ema le yena ko le boxing. O kila ema le maqala ko le boxing. Or khona o batlang o lo dula le yena jwanong. Your mind will manifest that. Your mind will manifest that. Bitsa ngwana ko lona maqala. O tlo bona le tlo ponda mnate jwang. Bitsa time lao maqala. O tlo bona le tlo ponda mnate jwang. Bitsa o lady maqala. O tlo bona le tlo ponda mnate jwang. Le thusane. One tall. Arrogance ya hao nako ngwe na lo yetsa go batswadi. Ba khalemela ro. But batswadi le bona the way ba khalemang ka teng le bona. Ina lo yetsa re ngwana a be arrogant. Remember there is a bad spirit out there bafethu e target bana. And lona batho ba baholo now. A le kenyetsa bana marata without explanations, fact and point. Guys, you sound lost to those kids. And then moya mobe o khona o kena easy ko ngwaneng, because now if they don't listen from their families, where the charity begin, guys, they are lost. Doesn't matter how smart you are lost because you don't have a foundation. You really don't have a foundation. When if you saw a family how, that is really sad. That is really bad for all of us, because it is from your family. It is gonna go outside now. We're gonna see by your reactions that you are angry, even if you try to hide it. We're going to see through your eyes, through your actions, through your movement, through your answers when you are questioned. You know, so guys, be with someone, honesty, so because Luena, you will want people to be with you. Don't ever in your life think that you are smarter than the next person, because everyone is a specialist. Everyone is a specialist. There is no Mr. Know-it-all. Forget it. There is no Mr. Know-it-all. Forget it. Whether you are young or old. Remember, wisdom can come from your children. Father. A wisdom. Your children can give you wisdom as a parent. That is not a fault. That is not wrong. That's how God created us. That is why people are talking about incarnation. You know, maybe some people have lived before. And now, that is why then I was saying everything that you see, it's a recycling. It happened before. So, Buffett, we don't look backwards with regrets. We look backwards in a way of embracing ourselves. As long as you today, I'll so be spot. I'll so be weak what about the drugs, or now jala go ntsha mathata, what ba matekwane go wena o ntsha stress. As long as you so ntho tseo, I salute you. Hang in there. You are in the right place. Some of us, when those opportunities come now, physically we are unfit. We are unfit physically. Aksabona la sentle go gole. Ke bolaile mahlo ka musi. Ka sobtsi. Ke a le kopa ntwana tsaka bo sister baka. Ke a le kopa man. Life ya lona is very important. Watch out, iskadiwa ke mngane, friend maqala, choma. Yana khona na ka di savana choma, onana ka banna. Umamele. Whenever your friend is talking, he's talking about men. He's talking about drinking alcohol. He's talking about you, choma, you must go and have fun. Life is not about fun. You create your fun in life. Life in general is not about fun. You are wasting your time. Tla go chominye jwalo. If we are keleza, if you can school right now, and then your friend decides to quit without any reasonable reason, because there is none, quit ayena, quit them. Thank you, Bafethu. Please subscribe, Bafethu. And before I close it, Bafethu, I want to say to you, I come with other stories now, deep stories, Yeah, deep stories. Remember, my life is education on itself. So I make it a point that I will give people so that they can learn from my life. So there are these issues, Bafethu, that are deep. Remember, every person in your circle, you have people. So you must respect those people, right? Yes, but you must tell your story. That's the point. So I'm gonna tell my story. So take us to 2,000 subscribers as promised. You will see what I'm capable of. Our children, in fact, I don't want to put it like that. My brothers and sisters, young ones, I love you guys. My mothers and fathers, I love you guys. Keep subscribing. Until next time, thank you very much.